Hi everyone, so today we are doing this Desi Baddie makeup look and I have already prepped my skin, so I'm gonna start with the primer first. So I'm using this moisturizing primer from Flickr Cosmetics. This one really gives my skin a very smooth and glowy effect, and the best part that it doesn't feel heavy on my skin. So next I'm using this Blue Heaven lip and cheek tint on my lips. Next I'm using this orange corrector from Inside Cosmetic and I'm just gonna apply around my mouth and on the areas where I have pigmentation. After applying it, just blend it with a wet beauty blender. So today I want to keep my base very light, so I'm using this BB cream from Maybelline. It's very lightweight and gives a very glowy effect to your skin. Just look how quickly it's blending into the skin. It's just giving a very soft, fresh and skin-like finish. For blush, I'm using this cream blush from Inside Cosmetic in the shade pink. I'm using this Alia Bhatt technique to apply the blush, kind of like the blue. And if I talk about the blush, it's very creamy, very lightweight and blends very easily, and that too in a very affordable price. Moving on to the concealer, I'm using this Swiss Beauty concealer in the brightening shade and I'm just gonna apply under my eyes, around my mouth and little bit in between my forehead. So while my concealer is setting, I'm gonna fill my eyebrows. I'm using this eyebrow pencil from Inside Cosmetic in the shade black. So after filling my eyebrows, I'm gonna quickly brush them so that it look more natural. So now that my concealer is set, I'm using this brush to blend the concealer, and then I lastly use a wet beauty blender to blend it all together. Now I'm taking this Swiss Beauty loose powder to set everything in place, and I'm lightly pressing under my eyes, around my mouth, on my forehead and usually where I get more oily. So now for that Desi Baddie eye look, I'm using this kajal from Swiss Beauty. Next I'm using this Glam 21 kajal as eyeliner. I'm just lightly lining over my upper lash line. So as we are doing a smoky eye, so for that I'm using a flat brush to smudge the eyeliner. So next I'm using this beautiful eyeshadow palette from Hilary Rhoda, taking this light brown shade from the palette and applying it all over my eyelid. Basically this one is the transition shade. Now I'm taking this light brown shade and placing it right over my eyeliner. Next I'm adding a little eyeliner to the inner corner because I want that snatch sultry eye look, which really goes well with the paddy eye look. And also I'm adding a very thin wing eyeliner. Next I'm adding this dark brown shade on my lower lash line and smudging it out with a flat brush because it gives that smoky effect. For mascara, I'm using this Swiss Beauty mascara. It gives a great volume to the lashes without making it feel heavy. Next, I'm adding this liquid highlighter from Hilary Rhoda. So for lip combo, first I'm using this lip liner from Swiss Beauty. This is in the shade light brown and I'm just lining my lips. And for lipstick, I'm using this nude liquid lipstick from Pilgrim. And lastly, I'm adding some powder blush on my cheek.